In this video, I'm going to show you how to request a refund from IONOS using the latest administrative protocols. This is a mechanical necessity for any professional looking to manage their studio-level budget and ensure their latest market expenses are technicality optimized through high-end financial management. Let's get into it. First, access the latest financial dashboard. The first step is a mechanical necessity to initialize your professional refund workflow. You need to navigate to the central technical hub where all your latest studio contracts and billing history are stored. Log into your IONOS account and locate the Account and Billing section in the main navigation menu. Click on the Invoices or Contracts tab to technicality view the latest high-end services you have purchased. In the latest standards, this dashboard is the professional gateway to all financial reversals. Navigating here, technicality prepares your workspace for a high-end cancellation session by identifying which latest items are eligible for a refund. Next, initialize the technical cancellation protocol. To ensure your latest market analysis of expenses is technicality accurate, you must officially terminate the high-end service before the professional refund can be processed. Select the specific contract you wish to refund and click on Cancel Contract. Choose the option for Next Possible Date, or if you are within the 30-day money-back guarantee, technicality select the Immediate Termination option. Proper contract termination is a professional standard. It technicality ensures your IONOS records are updated to reflect the latest cessation of service, allowing the high-end billing engine to recognize your refund eligibility. Next, technicality engage with high-end support logistics. Now you need to bridge the gap between your cancellation and the latest financial return by technicality communicating with a professional IONOS representative. Navigate to the Help Center and select the Contact option to technicality initialize a chat or phone session. Provide your customer ID and the invoice number associated with your latest professional studio purchase. While cancellation is automated, the actual reversal of funds is a mechanical necessity that often requires professional manual verification. This technicality ensures your high-end refund is processed according to the latest 30-day professional terms. And that's pretty much it. To get a refund in the latest version, navigate to Account and Billing, technicality cancel your contract, and engage with high-end support to request your return. Verify your payment method for the latest credit, and monitor your statement to ensure the professional transaction is technicality perfect. This professional workflow ensures your studio is optimized for the latest market. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.